Okay, Thursday, August 18th. Just wanted to follow up on my SPY put position from yesterday. You can see here I closed the position, the 427 puts at 270. I bought those puts at 256, so a very small gain. You can almost consider a break even. But what I did was, if you want to see the opening price at when I bought the puts yesterday here at the blue line as it was heading lower, I obviously wanted to see the follow through right at the open, towards those lows to continue kind of a two down type of move. So if we look at the daily chart, we have the shooter bar. I really wanted to see that open and goes lower. So what happened was the first bar kind of paused a little bit. Then we started to get the down move I was hoping for. This should have taken us to the lows. We immediately had the hammer bar here, and then as it started up, I just exited the position for a small gain, knowing I didn't get that immediate follow through I was looking for. Again, I know the overall trend is up here. I mean, I've discussed that on a bunch of videos. We did reach a potential point here of exhaustion, and then we did kind of head down, but I still know that just because you get the first little pause in here doesn't mean the trend is really turned down. We still have a weekly chart that's still green. We haven't really gone below the midpoint of that bar. If this bar closes as a shooter bar either today or tomorrow, then I'll expect continuation lower, maybe towards that target next week. So that'll be a much better sign that we're really heading lower. As of now, we haven't even gone red on the week so far. We didn't get below those lows. So anyway, just showing you how I used opening price action in this case to judge this trade. It was an aggressive trade getting in the afternoon. Again, I had shot a whole video up here where I thought this was an exhaustion area, so we've certainly dropped from there. But I also realized some of these pullbacks are setting up potential buy opportunities if we don't pull back. So that's why it's a kind of a tricky environment. I thought this trade might have the potential to really follow through towards this gap area. I discussed that. I mean, these pivots down here into this gap. You never know. But anyway, once I didn't get the opening price action, I just exited. Wanted to show you that. Now we have an inside day. So there's nothing much to do today on SPY. It's a tricky trading day that way. Now tomorrow we start two up, two up, kind of targeting this area, maybe back to those highs, or do we come down and immediately target that low? And maybe on Friday I'll get the move, at the open that closes low, take out this target. If that gets hit, then we might be heading down there, closing, really weak for the week, so to speak. Maybe we'll even turn red by Friday if something big down happens, and then we can look for follow through into next week. So a lot, it's going to depend more now on tomorrow's price action from this inside bar that's developing. Do we go up or down? I can't predict. Trend's still up, but we'll just have to follow price action.